build our customers' dreams, says one of our mottos. And we take care of them every single moment. From the first product idea to the yacht delivery and over its lifetime. Engineering and building a yacht brings together two main aspects: the style and design, the emotional on one hand, the functionality, technical performance, and the seaworthiness on the other. This means creating a correct balance of power, weight, space, comfort, and safety. Because a yacht is a wonderful combination of several technical contents, its design should be an ensemble of many competencies. In creating a new yacht, the plug and mold construction plays a key part. For any major composite part, we start building the plug that is a model of the final component in 1:1 scale. We start its lamination process and the chassis construction, making the tooling ready for the parts serial production. From the molds, our supplier will mold the composite parts, hulls, decks, substructures, and any part of the complete yacht body. Once we get all the fiberglass components at the final assembly plant, the installation process begins. The assembly process starts with the propulsion system, engines, transmission, and all the pipework. Then glasses are glued and the assembly goes on with the interior and the furniture work. At the end of the assembly process, everything is polished and clean. Think how many people are involved in the production of such a yacht. Dozens of professionals with different skills. And among them, we have in each yard members of the Würth team. They take care of things next to our workers. They monitor day by day the availability of screws, chemical products, and work protection. They are responsible for availability and purchasing of thousands of products in our warehouse. In this way, we have one supplier, one invoice, one clear process. For us, this is true partnership based on shared values, 100% quality, reliability, and customer orientation. If you are building a yacht that costs several million euro, would you make any compromise on quality? We don't. It is with partners like Würth that we can make our customers' dream come true and deliver yachts at the highest level.